So, I got my microphone finally. I'm only a couple years behind the times. Try and see how this works here. $8.99 on eBay or Amazon. Try and get a ride in here before it rains. And it's supposed to rain in about an hour. Perfect timing, huh? So I'll try and get some short clips in here because it's harder than heck to upload something over a gigabyte. So I'll catch you out on the road here. Alright, well, try to make this a quickie. Muddy cruddy. So here we go with my first MotoVLOG with stereo condenser mic. Trying to get across the track here. Somebody told me that you can some jumps over here. We'll see if we get cut off. Hopefully we don't get cut off. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe for now we'll just go down here. Doing a mic check here. 20 seconds. Alright, well, I'm assuming that it's recording. I hear a four-wheeler or something. I'll try and find him. Guy up the street has a, I don't know what it is, two-stroke blaster or something. Trying to get across the tracks there, but might be a train. I don't want to get stuck over there. Second gear. Woo! It's probably the closest thing to the jump I'm going to find over on this side of the tracks. Be muddy out. Get a new back tire. Thing is damn near bald. Oh, just about laid it down there. Jeez. All right, well, if I find the four-wheeler, I'll let you know. Get out of here. Woo. Yikes. Shit. Alright, well, like and subscribe.